What is up, guys? This is Snapdragon, and today we are playing one and only Akinator. No, it's just playing. Go, 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 go. Is your character now? Okay, we need to first think of a character. I'm thinking of the Animaniacs, the Warner Brothers, and the Warner sister Dot. I'm gonna go from the Warner brother. No, he's not in Harry Potter. No, he doesn't exist. No, he doesn't. Yes. No. Yes, he does. He wears pants. He's an animal. I don't know what animal he is. No, he's not been on Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Is he supernaturally fast? Yes. Does the character fight evil? No. Is the character brown? No. Is the character on the rope? No, it's a kid. Is the character from top? No. No, he doesn't. No. Yes. Is my character purple? No. Yes, he does. Yes. 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 Who is it? What do you guess? Oh, I thought he was gonna guess the guy with the red cap. Okay, the next person will be. It's gonna be. Let's see. I'm thinking of it's. I'm gonna. For no reason, I'm just gonna say Elmo. It's going to be Elmo. No, he doesn't exist. He's really creepy. No, he doesn't. Yes. No. No, he's not a Pokemon. Yes, he stands on 2 legs. Yes, he has fur. Is the character someone's pet now? No. No. What does that even mean? No, he doesn't have ears at all. Yes, he's from Sesame Street. What? Yes. It's Elmo. He's got it. How did he guess it? Okay, one more. That's going to be it's going to be the purple guy. No, he's not an animal. No. He actually uses a knife. Male. An adult. No, he would probably have killed them. He doesn't fight. No. Yes. Yes, he's no. I didn't mean that. No, he's not from a TV series. Does the character have hair? Yes. No. No, he's not a chef. Yes, he often wears a hat. Is the character? No, he's a villain. No! Is the character in a castle? I'm thinking of Cinderella. Is the character ever been in a movie? No. Is the character B? No. Is the character in The Crew? I don't know what that is. Cloth on their head? Yes, it is. Oh, shoot. Is your character in love with someone of the same? No! No! Just... No! Yes, that is it. That's him, alright. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, leave a like and subscribe today to become a Sniper Soldier. And if you do like it, share. It helps the channel almost to 100 subscribers. got something special for it, and goodbye.